welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. So let's get into some soft girl fragrances. Now, these are like everyday fragrances that you can wear during this hot season that we're about to embrace and embark on. If you would like, I have some favorites that I wanted to bring to my fam, and let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know what some of your everyday soft girl fragrances are. Well, let's get right into it. First, I know that we're not going, or some of us are not going to Target at this time, but when I was stepping in Target, I loved finery. Oh my goodness, I am musk. Yes, and yes. This is the best thing since sliced bread. I would highly recommend this musk fragrance. Oh, I love this down. This just gives me clean girl aesthetics, just soft and breezy and airy. I love this fragrance, this musk fragrance. So if you're into musk, I would highly recommend, and this is not going to bleed you out of pocket. So that is also a great thing about this fragrance. And now, does it last? A lot of these fragrances won't last and last and last, but they still give you a close to skin, empowering fragrance that you can get along with, in my humble opinion. This fragrance is beautiful. If you are a musk lover, I would definitely highly recommend you get this as your foundation and your base. Now, this fragrance is no stranger to this channel. I love this fragrance. I love the praline that's in this, gives it this nutty flair. I love the salty note, okay? I love how it's like a latonic scent, and it's definitely a light musk in here, which I love down. And it is none other than Clean Reserve Skin. Yes, and yes. This gives me soft girl aesthetics. This gives me clean girl, all the things. This is your skin, but better. I love this fragrance down, especially for this season. This allows that sweat to come and you still smell good, okay? If you go into the gym, you still smelling good. If you go into brunch, you smelling good still, right? This definitely is a close to bubble type of Netflix and chill for people to smell, but this makes a great impact. I would highly recommend this on any day, and the nuttiness in this just gives it that extra and flair. I love this down. Highly recommend if you're looking for a clean but soft and close to skin fragrance, this is going to be your best friend. Another fragrance that gives you citrus, it gives you white peach, musk. It also gives you a molecule note as well. Definitely close to skin, but is a little bit more on the pricey side of things, but powdery and all the beautiful white florals you could dream about. Well, not all of them, but this is Valaya. And again, I know that there is also Valaya exclusive that has a nuttiness to it. Can't wait to get my nose on this, but until then, this is definitely a good everyday, easy reach type of fragrance. Gives me soft girl, gives me clean aesthetics. Now, would I love this to last long, and longer? Would I love for this to have a longer longevity? Yes, I would, but this definitely gives me my life with the fruitiness in this, the musk that's in this. It is definitely one to put on this list called Soft Girl Fragrances. Next up, we have a citrus spicy, okay, with that pink pepper that's in this. We have some musk that's in this, woodiness, like sandalwood is also in this. So good. I would highly recommend, and it gives me this feminine flair that you cannot take away from me. And that is from Loewe. This is Woman 1. This is so good with the musk scent. It is such a clean ooh, and soft, girl, but it gives depth to this, right? It's not just your everyday close to skin, in my opinion, must fragrance. It does give this extra spice that's in it, which is that pink pepper. I love this fragrance so much. This is so good. So if you are looking for a new must fragrance that gives a little spice sassiness, look no further. Loewe Woman 1 is definitely one to put on your wish list and to get your nose on. Next up, we have a soapy Latonic must scent that definitely gives you all the bubbles that you could ever want. And that is Replica. This is Bubble Bath. Oh man, if you love a good soapy fragrance, look no further. Soapy, musky. It also has coconut in this. So if you're looking for those type of notes, this is so good. I love this down. As you can see from my dent, this is one that you can wear out the shower, Netflix and chill. If you just want to smell clean, to the gym. If you just want to smell put together, but it be a softness about it, this is a great fragrance to choose. Definitely one that you have to love. Soapy fragrances, if you don't love soapy fragrances, this is not going to be your jam. But if you don't mind a good luxury soapy fragrance, and I call it luxury because this gives me luxury. It doesn't give me this dull, cheap soap. It's like, okay, I spent a coin. I spent a couple of coins on this. I love this fragrance so much. So from Replica Bubble Bath, I would highly recommend. My soft girls out there looking for a great fragrance, this is one to pick up. So this fragrance also has a lavender, rose, and jasmine note in this, right? So it's also soothing, okay? So not only just this soapy, but it also gives you a soothingness with that lavender. The rose gives it more depth. It's just all the way around a beautiful fragrance. And next, to close my soft girl fragrance list, I had to bring out the beautiful Zet Must fragrance that is great for every day, and I have missed her so much because I don't really look for her in the fall and winter, but this season, yeah, we're ready, we stay ready, and that is from Byredo Bow the Freak. This is amazing, okay? Those that have it, you know, and you know. Now, unfortunately, my little tag or sign is coming off of it. Now, I don't like that because this is not cheap, okay? So, I'm not cool with that. You know, the cheapness of the sticker is coming up. However, the fragrance I cannot do without, especially for this list. Soft girl, what? Okay, every day, what? She had to be on here. And it's so unique to me, okay? You might, maybe this is not unique to you, but this is definitely unique to me. We have citrus in here. We also have black currant. There's also like an African orange flower that's in this that sits at the top. This is so good. And then the notes that blend together with this just makes it more unique, but soft, but dynamic, okay? She has a voice, but it's a soft voice, but you can hear her. So good. Highly recommend if you have not gotten your nose on Bow the Freak from Byredo. It is one to get, especially for this season. Well, that's all, fam, for my soft girl fragrances for this season, okay? What are some of your favorite soft girl fragrances that you like to wear in the hot season? I would love to know, okay? Your favorites, comment down below. Well, make sure you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, you better tell them. Yo, sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.